Pisces, song that's playing for you is large amounts. Alright? So whether you get in large amounts of ideas, large amounts of abundance, large amounts of wealth, or you feel me, someone outside of you getting large amounts of ideas, large amounts of abundance, large amounts of wealth. Something you invest in your time into may be bringing you large amounts of something. And what it is, negative or positive, you're going to have to let me know. You're going to have to let, who had this though? Cancer had this though. Cancer's, it started on you halfway. So Cancer had the first half of the song. So you may be dealing with a Cancer. You don't got to be. It doesn't have to be relevant. You don't have to let me know. But someone receiving large amounts of something or large amounts of something is coming to an end. You're going to have to let me know. Oh, what flipped? Damn, this been popular. See, I'm not taking cards, but I'm going to show it to you. You may be emotionally balanced and or stable in the situation you are in or space you are in. You know how you feel in regards to a space you're in, or someone knows how they feel in regards to a space they are in with you. You're going to have to let me know. Someone outside of you may be emotionally stable, and on the split, you may be in conflict because someone was trying to control and or you were trying to control something, and it's like something blew up in your hands. I said that for who? Taurus once upon a time. You may be dealing with a Taurus, you don't gotta be though. Or you just have Taurus somewhere that matters in your chart. Everywhere matters on your chart. Pisces. Ooh, that's two, I can't take it. Alright, a decision you made may have brought you out of your head, or since it fell out, a decision someone else made may have brought them out of their head in regards to what they need to take control over and work on. There's two cards. We don't drop in twos, we only drop in ones. We don't drop in twos. We only drop in singles. Singles, please. Thank you. Yeah, first card out. Damn, you may be in conflict, Pisces, over a situation. And see, this flip, but it was it was flipped, but it was loose from the rest of them. You dig me? What song is this? WAP. Hey, listen. But if you a dude, you fucking with some wet ass pussy there, Pisces. You may be in a real slippery situation. You may be real emotional in regards to the situation you're in, and you just stuck with what you can see, but you stuck with the truth you were aware of. You stuck to something, or you just stuck in a situation, and that's putting you in some sort of conflict. You feel me? You stuck with it. You stuck with an awareness or a realization, and you in conflict because of that. Or you just stuck with that truth. Someone outside of you may be expressing their feelings in regards to a situation, or someone outside of you expressed themselves towards you in a situation. And it's like what was expressed, you couldn't do nothing but, you feel me, just take it almost. And now you're aware, and your awareness is bringing you nothing but conflict. Whether that's mental conflict or third dimensional conflict outside of you. Because then we got the tower right there. Something ended in regards to someone, whether you can't steal no more or someone can't take something from you. You may be in conflict because you can't take someone from something outside of you anymore, bringing you a tower because something was expressed towards you. You feel me? Because this is the two. These are the one. First, that's you. You in conflict because of an awareness or realization you can't change. If you look, you got a new perspective, and that perspective is allowing you to shift your position in a space you are in. But right here, you got the perspective, you got the awareness, but you can't move. You feel me? It's like you tied to it. That's putting you in conflict. Maybe because someone expressed something to you with the King of Cups. Yeah, King of Cups, right? Yeah, King of Cups. It's like someone expressed their feelings to you in regards to something that you were expressing, or someone was expressing that you can't express no more, or someone can't express no more. And that's bringing a state of a tower in a situation. Again, you're going to have to let me know, though. Put your foot in the shoe that fits you. You in some sort of conflict, though. Yeah. And so, look, it's like someone expressed themselves in regards to how they feel about a bad emotional idea and or investment. So it's almost like if you're in a relationship, your partner told you, I don't feel good about this relationship anymore. I think this relationship brings me to a lower state of consciousness and or reality instead of a higher and or further state of consciousness and or reality. You feel me? This relationship doesn't make me elevate. It makes me shrink or decrease or downsize. You feel me? And that puts you in conflict because you're stuck with this awareness. Because yeah, you may be aware that the relationship wasn't going nowhere. You may be aware that you brought negative and or poor emotions or feelings into this relationship. And now that's putting you in conflict. Because there was a death brought on the bottom. Song that's playing for you is Long Live Dog. You feel me? Long live. See, look, death. Long live the situation. You may have thought something was going to stay for a while, or something was going to work and or just end up you living long in a certain type of space and or mentality and or partnership. You feel me? But some ain't living so long. You feel me? Shit, that situation might have already ended. Look, and this because of an idea. Oh, is this that idea we was talking about, Pisces? You thought you could do something. It was a good idea to you. Now you in bullshit. Cause what? You thought you had a good idea. And really and truly, you want to know what else was with it? The Ten of Cups in reverse. Come on now, Pisces. That idea brought you nothing but sadness. Emotional sadness, and conflict. Because I forgot, first card out was conflict. Look, you may be losing emotional parties, whether it's you can't feel a certain type of way no more because your friend groups are leaving, you losing friends, associates, or just mentalities and feelings. You don't know how to feel anymore. It's all because of one action that you thought would bring you, that would have you what? Living long live Pisces. Is what Pisces said, but look, you chained to a devil now. Something flip? Nope. Nope, that flip back. There you go. Look, Lovers in reverse. Come on, that idea did what? It was an idea that you thought would bring you some sort of abundance. You may have thought this shit would bring you in a relationship. You thought it would bring you out of conflict. You thought it would change your perspective and have someone outside of you in a state to not express themselves in some way, shape, or form. That's if the whole story's flipped. That's what you thought, but all it brought you was what? The Lovers in reverse. You may be dealing with a Gemini, you don't gotta be, but something's ending. And you in conflict because something's ending. Hey, long live Pisces, you feel me? You're gonna have to let me know though. Someone expressed to you got you fucked up though. I'ma fuck with you.